In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to share a photo album on your iPhone. So let's just dive straight into the video, guys. Now, the first thing we have to do before sharing an album is to enable this feature. So this is very easily done by going into the Settings app. Now, once here, you just want to tap on the name of your iPhone, then go to iCloud. Now, once you're in here, you just want to tap on Photos, and then go to the very bottom, and then you just want to enable shared albums. Now, once we've kind of got those settings enabled, we can then go to the Photos app. Now, from here, you just want to go to the Albums tab down the bottom. And then on the top left-hand corner, we have a plus icon. So I'm just going to go tap on this one. And we now have a new kind of feature under New Shared Album. So I'm going to tap on this one. And now I can give the shared album a name. So I can just name it whatever I want, go Memories, and then go Next. Now here I can add people to the particular album. So this could be the person from your contact list. So I can just go tap on this person and then I can go Create. Now, once the album is created, you can then tap into it and then you can go and add photos. So I'm going to tap on here and this will get access to my camera roll. So say for example, I want to add these 3 photos, I can go and click add, and then I can go post. So as soon as I post these photos, that person that I just invited will get a notification to join this particular album. Now, say for example, I want to add more photos in the future, I can just simply repeat that same process. And also if I want to remove someone from the shared album, or if I want to add a new person or even delete it, you can very easily do that by tapping on the person icon on the top. And then I can go and remove that person. And then I can also go and share and delete shared album. So there you have it, guys. It's a very simple process. So hopefully this video was helpful. If it was, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.